Have you been dreaming of Colorado luxury with incredible indoor and outdoor living? Then this is one you have to see. Offering 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, a stunning pool, relaxing hot tub, and some of the most breathtaking views the Grand Valley has to offer. Every room was designed to bring the outdoors in, with expansive windows and seamless access to the outdoor living space that makes entertaining effortless year-round. Whether you're hosting family and friends, enjoying a quiet morning coffee, or watching the sunset over the monument, this home delivers the ultimate Colorado lifestyle. Imagine ending every day right here, soaking in the hot tub, taking in the views, and calling this incredible Redlands property home.